Today, let's dive into a crucial piece of safety equipment for maritime professionals: the Emergency Escape Breathing Device, or EEBD. This compact device is designed to provide breathable air in emergencies, especially in situations where smoke or toxic gases are present. Understanding its components and functionality can be a lifesaver. An EEBD typically consists of a lightweight, portable cylinder filled with compressed air, a mask, and a demand valve. The mask is designed to fit snugly over the face, ensuring a proper seal to prevent any contaminants from entering. The demand valve allows the user to inhale air only when needed, conserving the air supply for as long as possible. Now, let's talk about the materials used in EBDs. Most devices are constructed from durable, fire-resistant materials that can withstand harsh marine environments. The cylinder is often made from aluminum or composite materials, ensuring it's both lightweight and strong. The masks are usually made from silicone or rubber, providing comfort and flexibility while maintaining a tight seal. The benefits of using an EBD are significant for seafarers. In the event of a fire or gas leak, having immediate access to breathable air can mean the difference between life and death. It allows crew members to escape hazardous situations quickly and safely, giving them the time they need to reach safety. Moreover, EEBDs are designed for quick deployment, so you can grab one and go without fumbling around. When it comes to regulations, both SOLAS and IMO have established guidelines for the use of EEBDs on ships. SOLAS, or the International Convention for the Safety of Life at Sea, mandates that vessels carry a certain number of EEBDs based on crew size and ship type. The IMO, or International Maritime Organization, further emphasizes the importance of training crew members on the proper use and maintenance of these devices. Compliance with these regulations is not just about following the law, it's about ensuring the safety of everyone on board. Speaking of maintenance, keeping your EEBD in top condition is essential. Regular inspections should be conducted to check for any signs of wear or damage. Ensure that the cylinder is fully charged and that the mask is clean and free from any obstructions. It's also important to replace the device according to the manufacturer's recommendations, as the air supply has a limited shelf life. In conclusion, understanding the importance of emergency escape breathing devices is vital for anyone working in maritime environments. These devices are not just pieces of equipment. They are essential tools that can save lives. Make sure you're familiar with your EEBD, know how to use it, and keep it well maintained. Safety at sea starts with being prepared.